Hello? Hi. I'm a barber. And of course I like going back to the barber shop to cut your hair after you showed up late.
I'm a barber. Of course I always gotta go looking for my stuff.
I'm a barber. Of course I have to sweep up for everyone.
I'm a barber. Of course I care if you have product in your hair.
I'm a barber. Of course I'll trim your pubes. Oh, man. I'm a new barber. Of course I got you. I got you, bro. You next? I got you, bro.
I'm a shop owner. Of course I like answering the phone. Hello? Yes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I'm a barber. Of course I don't spray my clippers after every cut. I'm a barber. Of course I like cutting kids' hair.
You really don't spray your clippers down?
I thought we were supposed to do that every end of the week.
Bro.
Are you serious?
Alright you guys, so to start off this haircut, I'm going to set my pins in and basically get the hair on top out of the way so I could do this taper. So starting on the taper, I want to debulk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my comb and basically do some clipper over comb, set my comb at a 45-degree angle, and build shape. So next, my client wants a high taper, so I'm going to set in my bald line using my Babyliss FX trimmers. And the way I'm going to set it in is like a triangle-like shape. You don't have to set it in like this. You could just go straight, but I just like to add a little uniqueness to my blends. Now going with my Instinct X with the lever fully open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, basically using my corners the entire time. Now putting on my one guard with the lever fully open, I'm going up the same width, about a ½ inch, making sure I use the comb to feed the hair into the teeth of the blade. So I'm not going to worry about that bulk on the top. I'm just going to worry about blending down. Now I close the lever on that one guard and working on softening up that middle line. Putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind, it's going to be a lot easier because you softened it up with the one guard closed. So after the zero guard close, I like to come behind it with the lever closed and just kind of detail my work as I go. You don't have to do this, you can wait till the end. I just like to do it just to take baby steps. With the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, and if you go up, make sure you open your lever. So now I'm I'm gonna focus on that bulk at the top. I'm gonna clipper over comb it a little bit more just to get it to blend, but you don't wanna take out that bulk totally. You wanna leave it there so the hair has something to sit on. So last but not least, you want to detail your work. Detailing is everything. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, if you don't have access to a mirror, I like to rest my eyes, come back to the blend, and just do some corner work, all right? Using different guards that I use when I set my guidelines in, and just, you know, use your corners as much as possible to debulk. So as far as the back goes, I basically use the same exact steps. I go in with clipper over comb, then I set in my bald line, then with the lever open, put it on the 1 guard with the lever open, then I use the 2 guard, kind of blend into that clipper over comb that I had, then I work my way back down, lever closed on the 1 guard, taking out that middle line with the 0 guard closed, then taking out the bottom line with the lever fully closed, and detail as I go. So I'm gonna take his front line down to a 1.5. This is the best possible lineup length that you can do, all right? It doesn't matter what it is, coarse hair, straight hair, I always go with the 1.5 on the front line. So next, I'm gonna work on the top. I'm not gonna do the lineup right now. I like to save my lineups for last. So I'm just gonna take out my duck clips, saturate my client's hair with water, and take off about a 1/2 inch. So now that I took it down to the proper length, I'm just gonna blow dry and style to get his curls back. I know he don't look like Jack Harlow right now, but let me tell you why they call me 360. When you sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
I'm vanilla, baby.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.